FreshBooks Cloud Accounting App. The pros, the cons. FreshBooks Cloud Accounting App is a user-friendly accounting platform for small businesses and freelancers. Most people get this wrong if they think it's just invoicing. FreshBooks also tracks expenses, manages projects, and provides financial insights. On the pros side, FreshBooks offers simple invoice creation, automated payment reminders, and time tracking features. Integration with banks and payment gateways makes expense management easy. The platform provides reporting dashboards for tracking profitability and cash flow. Mobile apps allow businesses to manage finances on the go. Many users praise FreshBooks for its simplicity and accessibility without an accounting background. On the cons side, FreshBooks may not offer the depth required for complex accounting, such as inventory management or multi-currency transactions. Pricing can also become high as the number of clients increases. In conclusion, FreshBooks Cloud Accounting App is ideal for small businesses and freelancers looking for straightforward invoicing, expense tracking, and financial reporting. Its simplicity and cloud accessibility make it a practical choice for managing day-to-day accounting tasks.